and soft, like the room already knew. Some strange current in your eyes, pulling everybody through. You carry sparks from everywhere, tiny pieces.
Oh my God. Just take a look at these videos. One of the most popular videos on this channel has crossed 11 million views. This is a dedicated AI singer channel, and the creator has built an entire music-focused brand around AI-generated performances. The singers, the stage performances, and the visuals are all AI-generated, while the music is created using AI tools as well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the same type of music videos and build a monetizable YouTube channel around this niche. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because today's tutorial is going to be extremely valuable. This channel has uploaded only around 40 videos and has already gained over 33,000 subscribers, which is quite impressive. One of their videos reached over 11 million views, while many others have received hundreds of thousands of views. This clearly shows how powerful the AI music niche can be. Many people are afraid of copyright issues when it comes to music content, but today you don't need to worry. I'm going to introduce a tool that can make this process much easier for you. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open ChatGPT and visit a few successful AI music channels. Take screenshots of their thumbnails and video pages, then upload those screenshots into ChatGPT and use a prompt like, "First analyze the image. I want to create music videos in this style. Please give me the top 5 video ideas." ChatGPT will analyze the screenshots and provide several music video ideas. If you don't like the suggestions, simply ask, "Please give me video prompts." It will generate detailed video prompts and character descriptions in the same style as the channel you uploaded. These prompts will help us create our AI singer and music videos. Now let's move on to the tool we're using today. The tool is called Freebeat AI, one of the best AI music generation platforms available right now. Freebeat AI is much more than just a music generator. It includes a wide range of AI tools in one place. First, make sure to create an account and log in, because Freebeat AI provides free credits for new users. Once inside the platform, you'll find several categories including singing MV, storytelling MV, abstract MV, real-time music generation, and many more. If we look at the image generation section, you'll find multiple AI image models. In the video generation section, you'll also find popular models such as Seedance, Kling, Sora 2, Veo 3.1, Wan, and many others. Everything is available within a single platform, so you don't need to switch between multiple tools. However, our main focus today is creating AI music videos. After logging in, click on Make a Free Video. This will open the main music video dashboard, where you'll find options such as singing MV, storytelling MV, and several other creative modes. Select Singing MV, then click on Add Music. You can either upload your own MP3 file or search from the built-in music library. Choose the song you want to use and select the best section of the track. You can also customize the video duration, whether you want a 15-second clip, a 1-minute video, a 3-minute video, or even a 6-minute music video. The platform allows you to adjust it accordingly. Once that's done, return to ChatGPT and copy one of the video prompts you generated earlier. Then paste the prompt into Freebeat AI. You can also select a character from the available character options or upload your own reference image. After that, choose your preferred caption style. For the model selection, you'll see Freebeat 2.0, which includes the AI agent feature. We'll start with that model first, and later I'll also show you how to use Freebeat 1.0. Once everything is ready, click Create. Your first video generation process will begin. The platform will analyze your music track, identify different song sections such as verses and choruses, and automatically prepare a detailed production brief. As the AI agent works, you'll receive various suggestions including visual styles, scene configurations, characters, locations, and props. You can modify anything you want or simply approve the suggestions. As you continue approving the recommendations, the platform gradually builds your entire music video. One of the best things about Freebeat AI is that it offers licensed content options, helping creators reduce copyright concerns depending on their plan and usage rights. After the brief is completed, the AI starts generating reference images for your character, locations, and scenes. then automatically creates each scene one by one. Once everything looks good, simply click Approve Everything, and the system will continue generating the remaining scenes without requiring additional reviews. And finally, your music video is ready. Just look at the results. The character is singing naturally, the lip sync is synchronized with the music, the facial expressions look realistic, and the stage performance feels like an actual music video. Whether you want a short clip or a full-length music video, Freebeat AI can handle both with impressive quality. Once you're satisfied with the final result, simply click the Render or Download button to export your video. The final output looks absolutely amazing, and the entire process is surprisingly simple. Now let's move on and generate another music video to explore even more possibilities with Freebeat AI. Next, simply return to the main dashboard of Freebeat AI. This time, we're going to use the Abstract MV feature. Click on Abstract MV to enable it, then add your music track. You can upload your own royalty-free music or use a track from the built-in library. Once you've selected the music, choose your desired video duration. Whether you want a 1-minute video, a 2-minute video, or even a 6-minute music video, the platform allows you to customize it according to your needs. After setting the duration, click Confirm. Now it's time to select a character. You can choose one of the available AI characters or upload a custom character that you've generated yourself. After selecting the character, click Continue. Next, you'll see options for aspect ratio and video style. Freebeat AI offers various styles such as anime, 2D, modern, Pixar-inspired, digital art, and many more. For this example, I'm going to leave these settings unchanged. Moving on to the model selection, we previously used Freebeat 2.0, but this time we'll use Freebeat 1.0. Both models are excellent, and I want to show you how each one performs. Once everything is selected, the only thing left is the prompt. Go back to ChatGPT, copy one of the prompts generated earlier, and paste it into Freebeat AI. For example, you can use a prompt describing a singer performing on stage. After pasting the prompt, simply click Generate. As soon as you do, the storyboard interface will open. If the storyboard takes too long to load or doesn't appear properly, simply refresh the page and try a generation process will begin automatically. Freebeat AI will analyze your prompt and music track, then start creating the video step by step. You'll see different stages such as music identification, segment analysis, scene planning, and clip generation. Everything is handled automatically by the AI, so you don't need to do anything during this process. Within a few minutes, the generated scenes will begin appearing on your screen. You'll be able to see the character, background, stage setup, and other visual elements. If you'd like to modify any scene, you can easily do so by providing additional instructions, and the AI will regenerate that section. The generation process continues through multiple stages until the final video is completed. Once all scenes have been generated, Freebeat AI automatically merges the clips together and delivers the final result. When you preview the video, you'll notice how realistic it looks. The singer performs like a real rock star on stage. The visuals match the music perfectly, and the overall quality feels like a professionally produced music video. The movements, scene transitions, and atmosphere are so natural that it barely looks AI-generated. Whether you want to create short-form content or longer music videos, the platform can handle both with impressive quality. One of the biggest advantages of this niche is its earning potential. If you consistently create high-quality music videos, there is a great opportunity to grow your audience and generate revenue. Freebeat AI also includes a built-in editor where you can add captions, edit text, make adjustments, and refine your video before exporting it. Once you're satisfied with the final result, simply download the video and save it to your device. As for pricing, Freebeat AI offers 4 plans: Basic, Pro, Ultimate, and Creator. You can choose the plan that best suits your needs and budget. So go ahead, start creating music videos with Freebeat AI, upload them to YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platforms, and begin building your audience.